So today I'll be reviewing this post hole digger. It's a 70-inch Husky, and this has a butted end, a tamper on the back. So let's say you're putting in asphalt in the driveway, you want to get down heavy duty on little spots, this is it. But the main reason I got this for is because of this end. So basically it's going to be a vertical axe for me, because you see that hemlock behind me. I'm going to remove that, and I removed one yesterday without this. So I'm going to see if this helps with the cutting. Because of the weight, I'll be able to let the bar do all the driving force and be efficient that way. And I could get under the root ball and use this steel bar as leverage to win the battle, releasing that root ball from the earth and using less energy, being more efficient. And I think this is going to do the job. So let's see how it does, and I'll get back to you. Let's see what we got working here. $360. Oh, plenty more movement. I don't want to hit the stonework. Loosen up the dirt underneath. This bar gets heavy. Oh. Oh, I see a little daylight underneath. Oh. Whew. Will I be able to pull it? Oh. Oh. Wow. Definitely deeper than the other one. Wow. Almost double the size of the other one. So while that was successful, I do have to be truthful in saying that I went around the perimeter of the root ball with a 10-inch Sawzall blade, cutting any roots that was shooting out from the side. Now, while I did that, this bar was invaluable. Gave me leverage, the vertical axe motion with its 16 point something pound weight. It gave me pretty much made an easier job of this root ball than when I didn't have it and I was using just an axe and the saws and brute force and a flat shovel, which was kind of silly. But will I bring this to every root job that I'm going to do? Yes, this is vital. 2.5-inch axe on the end, a dampener on the other end, 69, 70 inches long, and 16.2 pounds made it possible to make this job be a lot easier than what it should have been. So thumbs up and great product.